Down below us is going to be Hurricane Creek. Oh, and it sounds like there's a moose laying down on the right-hand side down in the canyon here. Our agent crew spotted him, so keep an eye out for him. Keep in mind that it's 196 feet down, so it might be a little hard to spot. Now this bridge did have its 100th year anniversary this last summer. Now officially 100 years old.
Where? Oh, there he is.
You know, that kind of tends to scare some folks. I can assure you,
All the way out.
absolutely nothing to be afraid about. But the Alaska Railroad does constant stress tests on this bridge. By the way, thanks for participating in our weekly stress test.
It's not moving.
So that moose is making its way along the banks of Hurricane Creek here, and he's headed towards the Shalitna River, that U-shaped river there. Now, unfortunately, visibility is still pretty low, but normally on a really clear day, you would be able to see the peak of Denali from this point. In fact, it's currently at the 5